Hey Bodyflow family, my name is Isabella. I'm the owner of two six-figure online businesses, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually dropship and the technical side of it. Now this is kind of a part 2 video to my original video, how to start dropshipping with $0. So if you guys have not already seen that video, I will put that video right here. So go and make sure you guys watch that one first, because I will not be recovering information that is very important that's in that video. So many of you guys have been asking me how I contact suppliers, how to actually order the products, how to ship them to the customer after they purchase from your dropshipping website. So in this video, I'll actually show you guys step by step on how to contact the suppliers if needed, how to order the products, how to find products as well, briefly go over that as well today, and basically just show you guys my process of how I actually process the orders after the customer buys from your dropshipping website. With the free website host that I always recommend for you guys to start using, that website host charges you $0 a month, so you're not risking anything. With dropshipping, you're not really buying anything up front anyways, so you're really not risking anything but your time. So if you guys have not already seen those other videos in my playlist of how to start your own business, go and check that out. And then once you got that all set up, come back and watch this video so I can show you guys the rest. So a lot of you guys were a little confused and you said, okay, so do I order from Alibaba or AliExpress when dropshipping? So dropshippers typically use AliExpress. Alibaba is typically used for buying in bulk. Sometimes every so often you'll find an Alibaba product that you could order just one, but typically that is not common. AliExpress is usually the go-to when dropshipping. And in today's times, there's so many US suppliers on AliExpress, so you can get your packages shipped super quick within the US or whatever country that you're from, because they have suppliers in many countries around the world. So without further ado, let's dive into AliExpress and I will show you guys how to fulfill your dropshipping orders. Okay, you guys, let's get right into this tutorial. I promise this is something very, very easy. You do not need an app to connect Big Cartel with AliExpress. You're literally just copying and pasting. So it's very straightforward, and I promise it only takes a second. So I split the screen, so we're gonna just pretend, obviously, because you guys know I don't dropship. I used to dropship when I first got started, but we actually ship our own items. So we're just gonna pretend like this bracelet is something that this customer ordered, and I covered up their address. Their address is usually right here under customer. I covered up their address with a fake address that we are gonna just pretend is their address. So, and obviously we've already shipped this order as well, but I'll show you guys how to add the tracking number in once the AliExpress supplier ships the item. So it's this simple. So once you find your item on AliExpress, you're gonna list it on your website. Once the buyer buys it from your website, you're gonna see it under orders. It'll send a notification to your phone too, because Big Cartel also has an app, and you guys know this is free to use too. So you can literally do this with $0. So once they place the order, you're gonna receive the payment. So usually they pay through Stripe or PayPal with Big Cartel. So you'll wind up getting the payment right away in either the Stripe or the PayPal account. So once they buy it, you have all of their information here. So all you're gonna do is go to the AliExpress listing. This is just the listing that we found. You're gonna select what color they ordered and everything. And then you are literally just gonna click buy now. Then it's gonna take you to this screen. Then you're gonna click add new address. You can add so many different addresses here. So every time you have a new order, you add a new address, obviously, so you're not gonna send it to the same person. And literally all you do is you just copy and paste everything over, and you can put your phone number here, but for right now, I'll just kind of put a fake one in. And you're just gonna keep copying and pasting everything over from the other listing. Then click save and continue. Now your customer's information is here. So this is the customer's address that they gave you when they checked out on your website. They bought the product for this much, and you're gonna buy it from AliExpress for this much. Then you're gonna ship them this product. So you guys can see I have my card payment in here. So I already have the card attached. I highly recommend, if you guys live in a country where you guys can get credit cards and the credit cards have points or getting you cash back, this is an excellent opportunity to use them, because not only will you get cash back, or you'll get like Amex points if you have an Amex card and things like that. So it's very beneficial to actually use your own credit card when you have a business, because it's basically like you're just copying their money and putting it here. And it's worth it because that credit card, you'll gain points and you'll get money back. So it's very beneficial to use your own credit card instead of just using a PayPal account from the money that they paid you. If you guys understand what I'm saying. If you guys want another video about credit cards, I got you guys. So you guys are literally just going to scroll down, and then you guys can see the shipping was obviously added on, which you guys would add on to the cost of your product. The customer paid $6 for shipping. So make sure you guys charge, if you guys are drop shipping, make sure you guys charge you guys as customers $6. This is the total that you're paying AliExpress with the tax. This is here. So what I actually used to do when I was drop shipping was if anything were to happen to, I know that the shipping cost is the actual cost of the product. So for some reason, if I had to refund the buyer, which never really happened, but if I did, I would just refund them this part. I would get the money for the item back from AliExpress, but I would still keep the $6 because that's what they paid in shipping, and the shipping is non-refundable. But either way, you guys will get it worked out. If something were to happen, if the product arrives damaged or anything, the supplier can just send them a new product, so it's really not a big deal. So let's go ahead, and then we are just gonna click place order, which I'm not gonna do because I don't want this bracelet. But you're gonna just click place order, and then that's literally all you have to do. So then in 1 to 2 days or whenever this supplier ships, they're gonna give you a tracking number. So once you get the tracking number from this, there's gonna be an option here, mark item as shipped. So you'll click mark item as shipped, and then you will paste the tracking number from the AliExpress website that the supplier gives you here. And you guys can also see if you guys have any problems with suppliers, there's refund and disputes right here that if you guys can open disputes and get refunds for things. So if you guys ever have any problems, AliExpress really does have a good system where they really do help you, like if a supplier has an issue or anything like this. And then again, if you guys want to just find products too, I have a whole video about how to find products to sell. But again, you guys would always want to filter out wherever country you're ordering from or ordering to of your customers. So you guys can click United States, and you guys can even like filter it for good reviews only. Here's how you're going to contact the suppliers directly if you have questions about their quantities or anything that concerns that you guys have. They're always really helpful. So you guys just literally just scroll down. It says this is like the store name. You guys can just click contact. And like this one has 78% positive feedback. So it's a little iffy. So after clicking contact, it brings you to this message board, and then you guys can just type whatever question you have right here. And the AliExpress suppliers, when I used to dropship, they always got back to me super quick because they know that we're going to be selling their products for them basically. So they're usually very, very helpful. And you guys also know I actually just made a video about what products are good to sell around the holidays. So if you guys want some insight on that, I'll leave that video link up here for you guys as well if you're not sure what to sell. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you guys to have more clarification of how to dropship, just so you are feeling 100% ready to launch that dropshipping store that you've always wanted to start. I actually just made another video today about the differences between e-commerce and dropshipping. So if you're not really sure which one, whether you want to buy in bulk or dropshipping, I actually just made a video today of showing you guys the differences of both of those. So if you're indecisive of what kind of business model you want to start, hopefully that video will provide you with some clarification. If you're seeing this right now, make sure you guys smash that like button so I can continue to make videos like this. It helps my channel out enormously. And of course, hit the subscribe button too, so you'll be notified when I post.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading